how to convert Lazada Pay Later to cash. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So to get started, go ahead and open Lazada on your device and sign into your account. And here, once you're signed into your account, go ahead and search for giftaway. So giftaway is a voucher that you can buy on Lazada. A giftaway voucher is eligible for redeem on stores with connection to giftaway. And here, go ahead and select the GCASH voucher that you want to buy and redeem on your GCash account. So for example, this 1000 pesos EGC gift voucher, go ahead and click on that buy now button or that add to cart button to add this item to your cart. After that, go ahead and select payment method to Lazada Pay Later. So in this section, you'll be able to find a Lazada Pay Later payment method once you have the Lazada Pay Later activated. After this, go ahead and place the order for this EGC. Now, once you have received this EGC on your Gmail, you'll be able to receive a link from Giftaway where you can actually redeem this EGC voucher. So in this section, go ahead and enter your e-code along with your GCash registered number. You can also enter your email, check on the checkbox, and click the redeem button to redeem this EGC on your account on GCash. Now from there, you can simply cash out the money by going to services that GCash allows for cash outs. So that's basically how you can convert Lazada Pay Later to cash. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.